I am the director of ETA GMV, a company specialized on the harvest of alfalfa. We handle the entirety of the field cultivation for the Luziel Group. In order to supply the plant with material, the client requires us to work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all from April to the end of October. So we work on a very tight time schedule. It is up to us to find the right technical solutions for harvesting applications. We purchased an 8730 Massey to pull a 9-meter mowing unit. The Cleanfix fan improves the cleaning of the radiator. Thanks to the reversible fan blades, the cooling fins clean themselves. Here, we have a system where dry grass and leaves will automatically be removed, increasing the cooling power of the tractor. So you can say the tractor is fully optimized for our purposes. We need to achieve a certain result per hour, so we need to save time during maintenance of the tractor. If we can do 2 hours of maintenance in just 1 hour, this would clearly be a major benefit since we gain more time for mowing. This saves us from having to put a second vehicle on the field to make up for lost time during maintenance. It also gives us a higher work rate. The driver doesn't have to go down every 5 to 6 rows to clean the cooler in order for the tractor to reach its full performance. Having to leave the cabin at 30 or even 40 degrees outside temperature is not that great. Constantly out of the cabin and back inside again, it's easy for the guy to get sick, not to mention he might get fed up working for you. We work large-scale operations, so we have to ensure good working conditions for the drivers, don't you think? We are pleased with the Cleanfix fan. We have improved the performance of the tractor, the comfort of the driver, and reduced the maintenance costs.